Hey everybody, welcome back to our yearly upload schedule. Today I have a dynamic role selection UI I crafted up for you in an hour. I just wanted something to get out there. I couldn't think of any ideas. I don't know how much updates I've missed in Roblox development aspects. I have not touched Roblox Studio until now. I'm shocked I still remembered a lot of things, but if you do have some ideas, comment down below. Maybe I'll get to it. It is July, so take this as an opportunity for your ideas to get made and uploaded. In case I go ghost mode. But yeah. So let me explain to you what this is. So this is a group selection, role selection UI. I created this with the intention around group-based games like cafes, restaurants, I guess role-playing games. But let me just show you a little demo. It's simple, but it's unique. So you could implement, like, say you can have your game transition, like showing your game logo, like whatever studios, and then boom, this pops up where they can select a team. You can obviously add more, but right now I have customer, staff, and security. Again, I made this with the intention of a cafe or a restaurant game. There's a reason why these are locked. You can't click on them. It's because I want to show you that if you don't meet the certain requirements of the said ranks, it'll show the lock symbol. So say you're a customer, we'll just choose that. It'll do a little switch transition, and then boom, it becomes a lookalike of a card, and then it'll say welcome, whatever your rank you are, and then it goes disappear, and then it says welcome, you are a whatever rank you are. And this is just all visual placeholders, so you guys have something to like work with to match the role selection UI. This doesn't do anything, but obviously if you were a cafe owner or a whatever, this would be your store, marketplace, music or settings, or your menu / donation. You can make this whatever you want. And also obviously this is a placeholder coin, but yeah, I just wanted to focus on the actual system itself. I know it's really simple. Make use of what you want with it. Leave some ideas below of anything. I don't know. I need ideas, guys. I need ideas. All right, so yeah, so let me show you without the thing. So the group, I actually need my group. So what's the group I'm in right now? So let me go to this. Don't mind me. So let me get my group I'm in. So let's say, yeah, let's go with that. My development studio that I don't ever use. So this should, yeah, so here we go. So now everything is visible. Staff for security, let's show security. You can change everything about this. You can add whatever your teams you want, but yeah, so just does that. Welcome security, disappear. Boom, welcome your security, blah blah blah. Alright, so let me explain to you how this works. So most importantly, let me show you the layout. There's two things here, okay? Make sure you have, I'll add this, but blur and light and blur object in the lighting. So the main one is the dynamic dynamic roles UI. So to add more, obviously all you gotta do is just like just duplicate it and change the names accordingly or whatever. I'll explain to you in this script. Everything's handled in one script for your convenience, and I'll show you what code to change / add when you add a new team, which I'll explain right now. So initially we go with changing the game lighting to be blurry, turn it there. Variables, that's important, that accesses certain objects in our UI here. Group information, so you'd put your group here if you wanted to use this for your cafe or whatever. Just the minimum LR rank for staff, the staff team, and the minimum rank for security team, which would be like this. If you want something specific, if you want it to be like specifically like security team has to be this rank and no one greater or less can be in that team, you just add a greater than and equal symbol. But right now it's just everything above whatever said rank can access it. So this is exactly what this portion does. So on game instance, if a player joins and they don't meet the requirement, a lock symbol will pop up, which I showed you in the beginning, If they do, then it'll disappear and they can click and select the team. This is the transition function, which I will show in a bit and explain. So the buttons is very simple. There's a button that handles each team. Basically, they all do the same thing, just each one calling the transition function with the parameter of whatever rank they selected. It's very important. And the selection mode equals true, just a safety thing. When the player selects the team and it does a little transition, they can't select other buttons while it's transitioning. Yeah, so when you add a new team, all you do is like copy this, duplicate it, change this to like, I don't know, team like HR, so like HR dot blah 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 blah, change this to that, this to whatever, like the HR like rank, like that, and I think that's it. You get the gist. Anyways, so that the main thing here is the function, the transition function right here. So basically what this does is initially it makes the animation of making everything go to the left, which you saw. Wait 2 seconds, hides everything and turns the card's transition frame on, which transitions the card to, like the card frame to the right, which you saw. Makes the certain like the strip and the credit card visible. It'll do a typewriter effect of the like random like credit card numbers or the card numbers. Just changes the speed, by the way. The more zeros you'd add, the faster it goes. Yeah, anyways, changes the text after typewriter to welcome whatever rank you are. This little animation, then the bottom UI right here. So once everything, the blur size is 0, so everything's just like gone for role selection UI mainly. It makes the bottom UI pop up, which is like the bottom UI with the like the market button, that's like the store button and stuff. It clones a template, this template, and changes the text, and then parents it to the announcement once it's cloned, which says welcome you are whatever rank you are. You could make use of this in any way you want. It could be an update system for you, but this was just specifically made just to show that little feature. So make use of this whatever you want. It is a list layout, so you can make it an update thingy of some sort. But basically that's it. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for that part. That's actually it for everything. Yeah, so it's really simple. Make use of this with what you want. Leave some comment down below some ideas. Make use make use of the time, because who knows when next time I'll upload. Maybe a year, maybe 2. But yeah, my bad guys. I've been really busy, but yeah, that's everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all in hopefully the next video.